Hi guys, for today's video, unbox natin itong Switch SW-BT1033IPX. Ito yung bago ni Switch. Ano na to? Splash proof na rin ito. Splash proof. Yung model niya BT1033IPX. Ito yung specs niya. Yung speaker niya is 10 inches, dalawa. Tweeter 2 inches. Tapos battery na po siya, rechargeable, 12 volt, 7,500 mAh, 100 watts, RMS to, 100 watts RMS. So malakas na. Auxiliary in, Bluetooth niya is 5.0, microphone input. Kung gusto ka gumamit ng wired, meron siyang 1 mic input. TWS function, water resistant. Ito ay multi-channel wireless microphone. So di kaya sa ibang guys, ibang Switch na model. Tawag dito, yung frequency niya isa lang. In case na same kayo ng unit ng kapitbahay mo, yung mic niya is pipick up sa mic sa Bluetooth mo. So yung yung sounds ng microphone niya is pupunta sa bahay nyo, or ang microphone mo is pupunta sa kanilang bahay. Ganun lang yun. So kung same kayo ng ito is multi-channel, pwede mong baguhin yung frequency ng microphone para hindi ma-adapt yung ibang microphone. Saya lang yung mic, kanya lang yung mic. Ito guys, splash proof. Yung mic niya wireless is dalawa, tapos changeable frequency. Yun ang maganda, changeable frequency. Bluetooth, portable, multi-channel, AC/DC na rin guys. So pwede kang i-direct sa AC kung long time use or straight use, ganun. AC/DC, pwede siya battery. So yun guys, i-unbox na natin itong Switch portable speaker SW-BT1033IPX. So let's go. Ito ang kanyang dalawang wireless mic. Ito siya guys, meron siyang set, saka volume, set up, saka volume. Tapos yung gamit niyang battery is dalawang AA. Meron na siyang kasamang remote at dalawang stopper, mic stopper. Dito, mic holder, AC cord, 3.5 jack to 3.5 jack, user manual, switch, warranty card, Yan na siya guys, unbox na natin. Switch. Ito guys, ito yung kanyang top panel. Mic Priority, Eco, Record, Xbox, Light, Mode, volume yata to. Tapos sa likod, ito ang kanyang likod. Ito yung kanyang antenna sa FM, audio in, audio out, USB. Meron siyang type C output, guitar, microphone. Ito yung kanyang AC input. So ito AC, DC. So kung battery, DC ka. Kung naka-direct current is AC. So center yung off. Ito yung kanyang breather, battery compartment. So try natin, on natin ito. Ito yung kanyang display, LED display. Yung design plan niya guys is parang Sony. Ito no. Ano siyang paano dito? Ano siyang pailaw dito? Light. Off natin, pwede off natin para save sa battery. Off. Volume. Meron na siya lagay dito sa anong guys, sa tab. Kasi gusto nyo mag-karaoke.
Outdoor activity. May connect po yung details ko.
So try natin mag-Bluetooth guys. Yung Bluetooth.
Kunin natin sa TV guys. Nakatik na niya switch easy.
So yun guys, narinig nyo yung audio niya. Maganda, malakas. Meron siyang X-Bass. Ito X-Bass. So meron siyang dito guys, audio out, saka input. So try natin i-connect sa ating JBL. Sa itong para kung delayed pa ba yung JBL natin, kung gamitan natin ang karaoke player. So try natin.
Ready mode. Oras. Line in.
Soundtrack. Soundtrack. Walang delay si Gan. Ay, laki. Hala kamoy. Thank you. Ayun na. Ay, lagi na. Shh. Ayaw. Soundtrack. Like the soundtrack. It's been a long winding journey, but I'm finally here tonight, picking up the pieces, looking back into the night. The sense that I have won. There's nothing like that feeling when you look into your eyes. My dreams came true when I found you. My miracle. I see you the answer to my prayers, and if you feel that's all that I feel, you would know it would be clear that angels come here. Living for you, feels like I've been born again. Every breath is your love, every heart speaks today. My dreams came true. delayed yung yung sound sa JBL papuntang JBL. Delayed yung yung sounds. Pero sync naman yung mic. Yung sounds lang delayed na 1 seconds, parang huli yung beat, ganun. Siguro kung switch to switch okay lang, JBL to JBL okay lang yung chain niya. Pero pag switch audio out to JBL, delayed ang JBL.
Sound check mic test. Sound check mic test. Mic sound check.
So try natin ng mic ni guys, ni Switch.
Guys.
Sound check.
Maganda. Magandang tunog.
Sound check mic test. Sound check mic test. Sound check. Sound check mic check.
Delayed pa rin yung mic niya guys, puntang JBL. So ayun guys, ito na si JBL Switch 1033 IPX. So maraming salamat sa panonood. Please subscribe, di marami pa tayong i-unbox dito lang sa Moy Moy Channel. Ay, Silo Channel pala.